Hello, my name is Bijanca Star and welcome to NFTea, where I share the latest tea on the NFT community. And special day, happy Thanksgiving! I'm so thankful to be able to bring you the NFT news every day. I hope you have a great day and enjoy it and, feel so special and cuddly and good. All right, our first story is Adidas buys land in the SandBox. The SandBox is one of the metaverses that exists along with Decentral, and I'm sure among many other that are going to pop up within the coming weeks, months, years, as we continue to perpetuate this metaverse new world, new experience. But really bullish if Adidas, a large, well-known company, is buying land there. They're going to set up shop. They're going to have something happening. Ready Player One is alive, is real. So let's at least take some power back and make it the best version for ourselves. Crypto investment firm Arca launched a prospective $30 million fund just aimed at purchasing NFTs. They're looking to have $30 million invested just to purchase NFTs. Wow, crazy. In the first week, they already raised 11.4 million. NFTs are hot, not going anywhere, and obviously a store of value. But it's important to pick NFT projects that have long-term value. How you do that? That takes some consulting, that takes some understanding of the market, and that takes some education. All right, continuing on our Tarintino Miramax saga. In his contract, he is stated to have the rights to print publication, including making of books, comic books, novelization in audio, and electronic form. That is the way in which his NFTs were to be released. Miramax came at him with a reverse argument saying that this really doesn't make sense in terms of script pages. This is a one-time sale. It doesn't make any sense. Their argument seems to be weak according to certain publications, but we'll see how it goes and we'll see what this means for copyright law in terms of NFTs in the future. Art Basel in Miami is happening next week. I'm a South Beach girl, the goddess of South Beach. My home is going to be invaded with art, with people. I'm so excited. But I should say it should be called NFT Basel because we have Flagler Street having NFT incorporation, learning about NFTs, an art fair nightly. We have NFT Basel, which is happening on the 30th, and we have Decentral Conference, which is happening on the 30th and 1st. And a big announcement, I will be hosting the Alpha stage at the Decentral Conference on the 30th and the 1st. So come see me live, IRL, come meet Bijanca Star, and let's learn some alpha about some amazing companies that are going to showcase their products at the Decentral Conference here in Miami. Our word of the day is by the fucking dap. What that means is when you're in the crypto space, there's volatile ups and downs, but ultimately, if you're a true believer in crypto and in the future use of this technology, when it dips, go ahead and buy it. This is not financial advice. This is what the word means. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. I'm thinking about you and giving you a virtual hug. Have a great day. See you soon.